Hello everybody, my name is Irfan Plyer, and today I'm gonna do the tutorial. This is probably not gonna be posted on Twitter, but it's probably gonna be posted on YouTube. So first things to first, we got our document, right? Nothing spectacular about it, just make it any document, doesn't matter. So we go to here, we click on document properties, okay? And then we're here. You go to grid, and you choose INKSCAPE grid. I'll probably put a picture on the right here. And then you click on new, and you have this thing. So you see, like, there's a little grid now here. Now you gotta change these grids, okay? For the X angle, you gotta put it at 25. So X angle right here, you put it at 25, and then you make the XZ, you make that at 26. You make it any color you want, doesn't really matter. But now look, you got like a grid, like a homestuck grid image. Now, and then to get the perfect angle of your box is really easy. You get the cube tool here. Look, it looks like this, right? You don't want that. You don't want that. So you put that in. You enable all of these, and then you put the angle at X. And you see here what Shark Alien said. If I remember, add the X grid with 180. So you make this at 180, and then you make the angle Y. You make it 170. So that's right. And then you make the Z. You put the Z at 340, and then you put this at 205. And now you got this. You got like the homestuck type of thing. If you try to use a selector, it will sometimes bug, sometimes it will not, and sometimes it will. But like at this, you will have it like this then. So it's like a grid on the grid itself. And then after that, you mostly got already. But then you go up here, and you need to enable edges and corners. Or you need to also enable advanced mode, because if you disable this and you click on advanced mode, you can see more. You turn on edge and corner so you can easily like put it onto the corner like this. You can see like a little X when it appears on the corner, and then you can do like this. And then over on the left on the toolboard here, you get the 3D, this, the cube. But if you click on this, you can select a perfect knot and then change the color of like the object here, as you can see. But if you choose the pen tool here right here to make, let's say for example, you want to make like a triangle or like a triangle, you do this, and then you have these two lines here, okay? You click on this square off the end of the line, and then boom, holy shit, it's a fucking triangle, motherfucker. Now also you can change that too with this object here, and you can expand it like this or like so. You can do this. You can change it over here, and then you can have like different type of variants of it. You can also use the same tool to color it again if you want to. It doesn't really matter. Let's say for example you want to make that cool cylinder thing that Rose has. So you get this, and then you just, I think if I remember, you just put a square on top of it like so, and then you put another thing on top of it like so. Let me just get it perfectly in there. And then you gotta change this color though, because you want to make it flat. Look, there you go. It's a big cylinder, That's mostly the basics of it too. There's nothing really something else to it. I mean, you can add text, you can draw your own shapes too, right? You'll get the hang more of it in the future. There's a lot of options with the tools too. Like you can change the thing like in halves. You can make it a stretch like that. You can stretch like this. There's a lot of options. Oh, and when you do export it, you go to the button here, and you go to this option here, and you turn the anti-alias on 0, and turn the compression into no compression. So it that doesn't happen at all. And then you save it. Oh no, you gotta put it somewhere else on. You save it in the folder you want to save it, any folder, doesn't really matter. We go to downloads, we go to INKSCAPE stuff, we go to smaller assets, go to INKSCAPE, we call it test for video, and then save this as a CG or CVG, which is a file, but you gotta save it as that. You save it, you open Paint, and then we open Paint, and then we go here, INKSCAPE, and boom. Hey look, it's not anti-aliased. Look at that. Wow, not anti-aliased. Wow. Also, the reason why those things were blurred is because there's leaks of INKSCAPE. Okay. That was the video. Goodbye.